Ever looked around your home and thought, it's almost ready to list? Almost. I've met many homeowners who feel the same. This wall needs a fresh coat of paint, that light fixture from the 90s, or the garden that could use a little love. But here's the thing, almost doesn't get you the best price on the market. Perfection does. I've spent years turning almost into perfects. First as a house flipper, and now for you as a realtor. List your home with me, and you won't just be a realtor, you'll get a partner. I'll provide $2,500 towards the enhancements of your home needs. But more than money, you'll get strategy. With my background, I know which upgrades to truly elevate a home's value. I won't just throw money at problems, we'll address them strategically, ensuring every penny maximizes your home's return. It's not just about making a sale, it's about forging a partnership, making sure that when you decide to move on, you do with confidence and the best offer in hand, ready to turn almost into perfect. Let's do it together.